Hey guys, I'm so excited today because I'm going to the Aero India exhibition happening in Bengaluru, Yelahanka. If you don't know what Aero India exhibition is or not sure what is the hype around it, don't worry. Till yesterday, I even don't know what Aero India is exactly. So just to visit for today, I have made some research and I have found some information about that exhibition and that particular platform. In this video, I'm gonna share you everything that you want or need to know about this Aero India exhibition. I'll take you with me and I'll show you exactly what's happening inside that Aero India exhibition 2025 that's happening in Bengaluru, Yelahanka. If you are living in Bengaluru, particularly in or around Yelahanka, you might have already seen flights, jet planes going all around the place, different shapes and sizes. It's fascinating to see the jet planes going, roaring in the skies. And today, I'm exactly gonna see the same view but much closer. I'm gonna see them inside the exhibition and I'm gonna see the air show that's happening particularly today for the public. So make sure you watch till the end. This is gonna be super exciting and super informative. I wanna thank my friend Srilalita because she's the one who booked this pass for me and made it possible to participate in the show. The cost of the pass is around 2,500 and she sponsored me and my visit today, and in a way she is the sponsor for this video as well. Oh my god, this airport road is completely blocked with traffic since morning. I can see the excitement, I can feel the heat right from here. Bengaluru, the tech city of India, is hosting this big event again. Yelahanka Air Force Station is buzzing with excitement and the loud sounds of engines. Aero India 2025 is here and it's bigger and better than ever. This year, we are not just watching an air show, we are seeing the history being made. Over 900 companies, including 150 from other countries, are at Aero India 2025. It's like whole world of airplanes and defense is right here. Imagine how much new stuff there is to see. From super fast fighter jets to amazing drones, from powerful missiles to super smart radar, this event has the best of everything. And it's really focused on Atmanirbhar Bharat, India being self-reliant. Make in India, make for the world isn't just words, it's happening right here. India's not just building for itself, it's building for everyone. So many countries are here. We are talking about people from over 90 countries, including 30 defense ministers and 43 air chiefs as per the sources. This shows how important India is for defense around the world. Aero India isn't just a show, it's where countries talk to each other, become friends, and understand each other better. Important talks and decisions are happening behind the scenes. The defense ministers meeting brings leaders together to talk about problems and how to work together. The CEO's meeting is where business leaders talk about the future of airplanes and defense, making deals and coming up with new ideas. These important meetings are changing what the world's security and defense will look like. New ideas are what make airplanes and defense better, and Aero India 2025 is full of them. The iDEX pavilion shows off what new companies and inventors are doing. We'll look at some of these exciting new things that could change everything, from smart AI defense systems to new materials. The future of defense is being made here. And here comes the part we all have been waiting for, the amazing air shows. From the ear-splitting roar of the fighter jets to the smooth, almost balletic movements of the helicopters, the sky above Yelahanka is a canvas of breathtaking aerial artistry. I'm going to take you right into the heart of action, showing you the most thrilling moments as if you're standing right beside of me. Imagine this, a sleek, twin-engine beast of a jet, painted in vibrant colors, suddenly explodes onto the runway. The roar of its engines vibrates through your chest as it hurtles skyward, leaving a trail of smoke like a painter's brush stroke against the blue. And then the stunts begin. A breathtaking vertical climb, defying gravity, followed by a sharp, gut wrenching turn that makes you gasp. Look there, it's performing a perfect loop, the sun glinting off its metallic skin as it carves a giant circle in the sky. The crowd goes wild, a wave of cheers washing over the airfield. And that's just the beginning. Next, a formation of hawk jets take into the air, performing a mesmerizing aerial ballet. They weave intricate patterns, lines of smoke crisscrossing the sky like a giant, ever changing tapestry. Oh my god, they are flying in a perfect synchronicity, so close that you could almost touch their wingtips. They form a heart, tribute to the nation, and the crowd erupts again, pointing and cheering. Someone beside me shouted, "Incredible!" And it is. And to the top of it all, the jets formed the colors of Indian flag, saffron, white, and green, appeared in the sky, a breathtaking tribute to the nation. The crowd erupted in cheers, their voices mingling with the roars of jets. It was a moment of pure magic, a spectacle that will forever be etched in their memories. But the most spectacular moment? That has to be the grand finale, a combined display of fighter jets and helicopters, a symphony of power and precision. The sky is filled with a kaleidoscope of colors and the thunderous roar of engines. They fly in formation, creating a breathtaking aerial display that leaves everyone speechless. As the jets scream across the sky, leaving long trails of smoke in their wake, the crowd erupts in the final thunderous cheer. The air is thick with excitement, and everyone's buzzing about what they have just witnessed. It's a truly unforgettable experience, a testament to the skill and dedication of the pilots, and a celebration of the power and the beauty of flight. Beside the air shows, Aero India 2025 also lets you see the technology up close. You can walk around and look at some of the best airplanes and defense systems in the world. We will explore these displays, talk to experts, and learn about how these amazing machines are built. It's not just for the experts and business people. Aero India 2025 is also fun for everyone, especially kids who dream of flying. It's a chance to see these amazing machines so close, which might inspire the next generation of engineers, pilots, and inventors. As Aero India 2025 ends, we feel amazed and inspired. This event has shown the incredible progress in airplanes and defense, the power of countries working together, and how smart people are. It reminds us that there's no limit to what we can do. When it comes to my experience, it was so good and exciting to see airplanes, helicopters, fighter jets so close. I mean, I'm not into aeronautics or aviation stuff, but still, it was so exciting to see the technological advancements we made in that industry. See, I'm a kind of person who have never traveled in an airplane till now. So for people like us, it will obviously be interesting to watch those huge machines right in front of your eyes. And the best part of the day is there's something called iDEX Pavilion or iDEX platform. You can think of it like a program which is being conducted by the Indian Defense Organization. I was speaking to one of the representatives inside that pavilion, and when I understood what is the concept of iDEX platform, I was so fascinated by its idea. It is just this. The Indian Defense Organization throws a problem statement or a real world use case wherein companies or individual innovators can actually apply, accept the challenge, the problem statement, and create their own solution for that particular problem statement, be it a model or a prototype. And if the defense team likes the solution, it actually sponsors the solution and the company to develop that particular model or prototype in a much, much bigger scale. This is the concept of iDEX pavilion or iDEX platform. I think this is similar to the Shark Tank concept. What do you think? Overall, it was such a nice feeling to participate in one of the India's prestigious technological exhibitions and witness the modern and highly sophisticated innovations in the field of defense. Of course, I had that different experience inside of me right after the air show, which I don't want to speak in this video because this is not the topic for this episode. But from this episode, I want to thank everyone who actually called me, texted me, inquired about whether I'm doing well or not, suggested me to do this and that, and of course few people got really serious about me. After that evening, when I was little okay, I just wanted to share that different experience of what I felt something for the first time in my entire life. Never had this kind of feeling before. And I was not expecting this kind of response from you guys. If anyone still having any questions or concerns on how I'm doing, well, here I am, doing absolutely fantastic, normal, all good. Thank you everyone who actually took a moment to understand how I was doing back then. This is all about the day, the exhilarating Aero India exhibition and that air show. Like the video, comment what you think, and haven't you subscribed to Coffee Chat still now? What are you doing in YouTube? Smash that subscribe button right away, and I'll see you in the next immediate episode.